Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, a Saturday, I don't know, what's the time, 25 past 5 in the afternoon. Right, I'm going to go get some fish and chips. Me and Kate fancy fish and chips. And there's a chip shop that I haven't reviewed yet, here in Lowestoft. And the reason I haven't reviewed it is because they don't open lunchtimes through the evenings. And the fish and chip shop is called Amanda's Chippy, which is Kirkley Run in Lowestoft. So I'm going to go down there. I'm probably going to get something like a large haddock, big old portion of chips or something, maybe a sausage, and we're going to split it up, me and Kay, and try it out, ready, see what it's all about. Yeah, got to be better than that old McDonald's we had the other day. We'll see anyway, be a bit more filling. Yeah, not a bad Saturday really. Been overcast a lot of the time, sun's been in and out now and again. What was it at the moment, 20 Celsius? So we ain't had any rain today, well I haven't seen any anyway. So yeah, so we'll go find out what this chippy's like. It's opened, I think, from 4 or 4:30. I'll put the details in the video description anyway, and you can see for yourself. If anyone's local in Lowestoft, don't know if you tried it yet. I haven't, funny enough. Right, sorry, I haven't. I did many years ago when I used to go up to Kirkley. I went to Kirkley High School. I attended school just down the road, and used to nip up there then, and that's many years ago. That is, Christ, that must be 48 years ago, something maybe, I don't know, 47, 48 years ago, something like that anyway. And that, but that's all changed hands now, so yeah, time flies, as they say. Certainly do. Well, I hope everyone's doing alright, doing well. Hopefully we'll get a nice bit of sunshine soon. We ain't had nothing since that bank holiday, we had that heat wave and everything. So let's go along here. That's not far, just up the road here. Kirkley Run it is. Local people will know where it is on that. Yeah, it's just up there. Yeah, as I was going to take Kate for fish and chips last week when we done at McDonald's. When was that, Thursday I think it was, wasn't it? All that rain, it was just so wet. We thought about going down the coast a bit and have some fish and chips, but the weather was horrendous. Really was. Right, well this is Kirkley Run. Should be on the corner here. So we'll see. That's my phone ringing. There it is on the left. Right, I'll answer this phone and we'll get in there and get some chips. Right, here it is, Amanda's Chippy. Right, got fish and chips. I haven't looked at it yet. We're not going to take it home. We're not going to take it home. I ordered a large haddock, chips. It was regular chips and a large jumbo. So we've packed it all in there. So yeah, we'll have a look when we get home. So right, let's get on and I'll catch you when I get back home. Right, let's have a quick look at this menu. As you can see there, Amanda's Chippy. There you go, that's the times that's open and everything else. That is what they do. No prices for the fish on there because I suppose they change daily. Chips. You can see other stuff they do. Pies, burgers. They do jacket potatoes. chicken breasts, chicken nuggets, everything on there. I'll just quickly scan over this. There's some deals and everything they have. And then there you go. That's everything. Do deliver as well. That's £2 delivery charge. There you go. Manager's Chippy, Kirkley Run. Right. Back to the vid. We're back. Right, let's get these things open. Let me get you down here somewhere. That's okay there with the plates. Can't wait. Now what these are like. There was a 15, excuse me, to 20 minutes wait while they freshly fried them. So a little bit of grease just come through on the paper, but you're going to expect that. Just lay them on there. They had chips and sausage and everything. Right, this is the fish. Let's have a look. And we're on there, sealed it up. We can get it open. Let's just tape it well. Right, bloody hell, wow. Look at that. They've given me two. I ordered a large haddock. Now, whether they didn't have a sort of large haddock, so I give them us two like that. Wow, that's impressive. That is impressive, Kay. Right, do you want to go dole this out? I'm going to let Kay dole this out and then we'll get stuck in. Right, there it is on the plate. So we got two of those fish. There's a jumbo sausage with oil, half with Kay. Chips, scraps. Kay's got chips, scraps, and we've got another pile over there as well. The chips, and they're only regular chips. So looking impressive at the moment. The bit of grease leaked through obviously came out the scraps. We're not too worried about that. That's a fish and chip shop after all. Right then, let's get stuck into this and see what it's all about. Right, here we go then. See what this is all about. You want salt? Do you want vinegar, Kay? I won't put any salt or vinegar on it.
I'll just have a little bit of salt for now.
Right. There you go then. Right, let's have a look at this fish. Put this light on a sec. Get it down here. And we'll cut this. This is one of the fish. Yeah, now I said a large haddock. And this is what they come up with. Wow. Look at that. That's some thick piece of fish, that is. Now, they're freshly cooked as well. There is skin on. You can have skin off if you want. I don't care, skin on, skin off. You don't care, do you, Kay?
Well...
Oh, God, there you go.
I think I prefer it without, but I'll eat it with.
Oh, well, don't put yourself out, gal. I don't care, me. I'm just a heathen. Right, let's get it down here. Oh, no, it's not. That's lovely, yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, just let me eat that.
Oh, sorry. That's really nice. That batter is. That's great. Chips. Oh, yeah, I like them chips.
What have we got? A fluffy inner?
I don't know about fluffy inner, they're just nice.
Yeah, I think they've got a fluffy inner.
Yeah. I don't wear a bit fluffy inners, to be quite honest. I don't really care if it's fluffy inner or not, as long as they taste nice. That's the main thing. That's what I say. That's your sausage. See like that. Nice. I'd probably say they do a butcher's sausage. I just got a jumbo, so I got sort of half up with K sort of thing. But I would say that's more looking at it like a standard capron sausage in there on this one. They do butcher's sausage, which are $2.90. But yeah, nothing wrong with that at all. I like that fish. That's very, very nice indeed. Now just quickly, because we're going to have to enjoy this in a minute before I go cold. I will scan over the menu and everything they do. That's the menu. I'll give it a scan over so you can have a look. The whole lot here comes £16. That's a large haddock. Regular chips was £13.40 and the sausage was £2.60. They chucked me a load of scraps in as well, which I got in that. And I'll tell you, the chips, there is absolutely stacks of chips. Okay, you put a bloody load over there, haven't you? When you asked for a regular.
There is some over there.
Score it, Kay. What would you score that? In all honesty, your fish, your chips, your meal, price.
Sort of 8.5.
Well, I'll go a good 9 for that. That fish is lovely, I'll tell you. And when you weigh this up against McDonald's, do you know what I mean, what we did? Wow.
How much did you say it was?
£16.
16 quid. Yeah.
That's not bad for what you got. You know what I mean? You're going to be real full out of this. Right. 8.5 from Kay, 9 from me. That's Amanda's Chippy in Kirkley Run in Lowestoft. I'll put all the details in the video description. Anyone's local, go check it out. If you're on holiday down there or passing through.
Already.
But they are only open in the evenings. Yeah. Thumbs up if you like the video. Give us your comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. We'll hopefully catch you lovely people in the next one.
Yeah. See ya.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
I'll let her carry on with her nose bag.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.